to come and work with the beautiful people of Lesotho. And I've been pulled to different parts of the world, but I come back here. There is something beautiful, there's something special about this country and about the people of this country that actually makes you want to come back. When I'm at home, I want to be here. When I'm here, I want my wife to be here. What I'm wanting and what I sought from today, and I believe I got from today, is the wonderful king that you have. You are blessed with such a beautiful soul. He is such a fine example of leadership. I wish it was replicated elsewhere, but actually, you know, he is a very intelligent man. He is a very thoughtful man, and we shared with him our vision today that actually we don't want to be making 15 bags a day. We don't want to be making 2 swales and 2 biochar pits. This is something that we can actually share the learning right across the nation. And one of the offers that you heard me talk about today was actually the processing of the agave americana leaf. That is within everyone's gift. If you've got some rubber gloves and you've got a table, you can even scrape that leaf with another piece of wood or with a stone. You don't need a metal scraper to actually arrive at those fibers. You wash them, you boil them with soap, you then dip them into cold water, you let them dry, you sell them here to the lodge, to our colleagues here. And 1 kg, 100 rand. 10 kgs, 1,000 rand. So that is the offer that, and in the first instance, I may be selfish a little, because this is my home. Malealea Valley, it, to me, feels like a spiritual home. So I want to extend that invite to all of the community members in this immediate valley to come and register with the Malealea Development Trust as someone that is going to provide fibre for the bags. And maybe, just maybe, if we get strong here, we can extend that to other parts of Lesotho. What I'm saying to His Majesty is that he has got something here in this tiny little valley in the middle of nowhere. He's got something here that he can shout about to the world, because it is a product that is actually trapping nutrients in. And this product is made by Basotho, for Basotho, from Basotho, but it can be exported and it can also be replicated. So I've got no aspirations to be a rich man. I've got aspirations to share what it is that we've stumbled upon here that can be of use to, in the first instance, 2.3 million Basotho before we go beyond. And I'm being pulled to Nigeria because Nigeria has got wonderful insulation in coconuts, and it's got a crazy large population. But I don't want to go there before we actually do what needs to be done here. And I can honestly say, and it's not a kind of cheesy line, I can say that part of my heart is now Basotho. Masutu, perhaps.